In everything, there is a share of everything. All other things have a portion of everything, but mind is infinite and self-ruled, and is mixed with nothing, but is all alone by itself. All things were together, infinite both in number and in smallness, for the small too was infinite. The purpose of life is the investigation of the sun, the moon, and the heavens. Appearances are a glimpse of the unseen. Men would live exceedingly quiet if these two words, mine and thine, were taken away. Conclusions from observations are unreliable, only the mind can come nearer to the truth. Thus, in some ways, philosophy is more important than science. The Greeks follow a wrong usage in speaking of coming into being and passing away, for nothing comes into being or passes away, but there is mingling and separation of things that are. So they would be right to call coming into being, mixture, and passing away, separation. Everything has a natural explanation. The moon is not a god but a great rock, and the sun a hot rock. The sun provides the moon with its brightness. The descent to Hades is the same from every place.